Hello, my name is Zahier bin BADARUZAMAN. Today I would like to present about Top Glove Malaysia. Okay, for the first slide, I will talk about introduction. Top Glove established in 1991 and headquartered in Malaysia. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is the world's largest manufacturer of glove. Okay, start as only a local business enterprise with one factory and one glove production line, has today captured 26% of the world market share for rubber glove. Okay. Company has manufacturing operation in Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam and China. Okay. Top Glove has marketing office in these countries as well as USA, Germany and Brazil, and export to over 2,000 customers in 195 countries worldwide. Okay, for the second slide, I will talk about the pillars of IR4.0 that used by Top Glove Malaysia. Okay, first pillar that used by Top Glove is Internet of Things, or we can call it IoT. Okay, it can connect and monitor various aspects of its manufacturing process. Real-time data on production lines, equipment performance, and quality control parameters are collected using IoT sensors and device. Okay, next pillars that used by Top Glove is big data. Top Glove use big data analytics to process and analyze the enormous quantity of data collected during its operations. Production data, quality control data, and other relevant data are put together to provide valuable insights using advanced analytic tools and algorithms. Okay, the next pillar that used by Top Glove is cloud computing. Top Glove use cloud computing to safely store and process its enormous amount of data. Real-time data sharing, collaboration, and remote monitoring are made possible by cloud infrastructure, allowing for seamless integration across various production facilities and quick decision making. Lastly, the pillar that used by Top Glove Malaysia is cyber security. Okay. Top Glove focus on robust cyber security measures to protect its data systems and networks from cyber threats. Includes implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, encryption protocols, and regular security audits to ensure data integrity and protect against unauthorized access. Okay, for the next slide is I will talk about the benefits by using the pillars of IR4.0. Firstly is enhanced operational efficiency. In enhanced operational efficiency, real-time data monitoring and analytics enable proactive maintenance, optimize production scheduling, and resources utilization. These advancements lead to higher efficiency, reduced downtime, and improve overall operational performance. Okay. Next is improve product quality. Real-time monitoring and data analysis allow for early detection of defects or deviations, enabling timely corrective actions. Okay. It also consistent quality assurance throughout the manufacturing process ensure that Top Glove deliver high quality glove to its customers. Okay, next is improve worker safety and ergonomics. Automation and robotics take over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, reducing the risk of work-related injuries. These advancements promote worker well-being and enhance overall safety standards. Lastly is I will talk about cost reduction. Predictive maintenance based on IoT data prevent costly unplanned downtime and reduce maintenance costs. Efficient resource utilization enabled by real-time data analysis helps optimize energy consumption, raw material usage, and overall operational costs. Okay, next is reference. This is reference that I'm using for the Top Glove Malaysia. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.